Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your TikTok avatar. So what you have to do is you have to click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, what you have to do is you have to click on effects. So when you click on effect, you have to find the TikTok avatar. So you click on it. So if you click on it, you can select your preset avatar. You can select anyone you want, or you can straight away make your own avatar. So I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own avatar. So you click on new. So when you click on new, you know, choose your gender. We're using this guy. And my skin tone. So my skin tone is I'm actually brown. So I'm actually good with this. And I'm gonna go ahead. So alright. So you choose the hair type you want for your avatar, and go to head. Choose the preferred head type for your avatar, and go to eyebrows. Choose the one that you want. Eye, then go to eye. Choose the eye type that you want. Eye. And go to nose. Choose the nose type. The avatar. You can always shift your head to know how you look on the side. I can go to mouth. I'm going to stick with the default. And go to ears. I don't actually like piercing, so I'm good with this one. Then facial hair. Oh, I like it. I like a little bit of mustache. But now I'm good. I'm gonna stick with the defaults. So eyewear. I really like glasses. Yeah, I think this is cool. So go to headwear, and I'm not actually going to choose any headwear. I mean, what's the point of giving your avatar hairs if you're going to put on a headwear? So this is it. So I'm done with this creation. So this is how you create your TikTok avatar. So thank you guys for watching this video. Did you enjoy it? Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.